Question 9. Brett is planning to build 2 new acrylic fish tanks. He wants the rectangular prism-shaped fish tanks to have the same width and volume. For one of the fish tanks, he plans to make the height of the fish tank 2 centimeters less than twice the width, and the length 4 times the width. For the other fish tank, he plans to make the length 1 centimeter less than twice the width, and the height 6 times the width. If y represents the volume of the fish tank and x is the width of the fish tanks, which system of equations could represent this situation? So first off, rectangular prism, the formula is volume equals length times width times height. Now I know they say to use x as the width. I'm just going to use w because I'll get confused with what variable is what. So it's obvious they want us to write all of these answers in terms of the width because we see that word width show up over and over and over again. So let's take the first fish tank. Let's take that first bullet point. It tells us the height of the fish tank. So I'm going to rewrite the height is 2 centimeters less than twice the width. So 2 centimeters less than twice the width should be written as this expression. You've got to be careful because it's not 2 minus 2w, but it's 2 centimeters less than something. So if you take 2 centimeters less than something, you're actually subtracting that 2 from the something, which happens to be whatever twice the width is. So that's our new height. And then the length, what do they tell us? The length is 4 times the width. So that's just 4w. So we're going to take this expression at the top, and we're going to rewrite it. Instead of length times width times height, the length is now 4w. The width is just w, and the height is 2w minus 2. 4w times w is 4w squared. Then I'm going to distribute that to the 2w minus 2. 4w squared times 2w is 8w to the third. 4w squared times negative 2 is negative 8w squared. So looking at my answer choices, remember, they used x instead of w. I only see that expression written one time, right here. So this has to be my answer choice. I don't even need to check the volume for the other fish tank.